Okay, dude. Um, devlog update. I've made this beautiful code, which is a bit complex. Indeed, I asked a couple of times to Claude and Groq.AI to fix it. But we reached the point. So, how does these things work? Because my space station is massive, and I mean massive, at a certain time I started to feel it because it's empty. So I started making stuff here and there, and bottle and stuff, etc., and so on. But I mean, this is a docking bay, so you can have constantly the same stuff over and over. So I think about creation kit. Creation kit from Skyrim or Fallout, and the creation kit had this system where it will show you a gizmo for object, for example, for a sword and a bow and potions, but you can't be 1% sure what kind of potion, sword, or anything else it will spawn during the game, because it was random. So I made the same stuff, and I will share the code on Pastebin on the website, and the URL will be on the description of the video. Anyway, this is the script, the code. All you have to do, keep in mind that at the moment I didn't set a check, so if it doesn't have any code, could be pop out some error, but if you don't have anything, but I will fix it in any case. By the way, suppose to make this 3 bottle random, so you take one bottle, then you take another bottle, and then you take another bottle. Okay, and so it will draw a gizmo, so you can place it in the scene, and you know where the base of your game object is, so it will be like this. And so you can create many of these things, and you can also change the color and the transparency at your wish. Just the only thing that you have to keep in mind is that the game, the code will make the gizmo on the average size of each object. So more the same size will be less issue you will have when the game object will be spawned, because obviously if you make 3 objects with a completely different size, this will not work as expected. So for example, these purple objects are all crates, so should be fine. And also the asset from Cinti, you notice that every object has the axis when you set it on pivot, and maybe even better on local, you can see where the pivot is. So keep in mind, if the pivot isn't on the right position, you can always make a parent and then take your prefab and put it as a child, so you can set the pivot on the right position. Yeah, I have a bit of work to do, but so you can see even more of the progress that I've made. So here we have the hangers, and I've placed the numbers over each hanger, and so here we see our stuff spawned. So here we have a random bottle. Oh, this is yeah, this box is smaller than I thought. Indeed, reason why you have to be sure that the object that you put inside of your array is all the same size. About there is too much difference from the orange yellowish box and the gray one, but here, for example, it's fine. So this is quite useful code, I guess. Yeah, definitely useful. So I can feel all this stuff, and every time you get in, you will see something different. Also, I took the chance to ask you, did you think that I make a too big space station? Did you think it's too massive? I'm not sure, because I have two computers at the moment, and this one is an i9 with 64 gigs, and the other one at work is an i7 with 16 gigs, and this one have both GPU are very strong. So did you think it's too big? Also, I don't know, I like it. At start I was a bit scary, because I realized that it's massive, it's really big, and this is just a part of the space station, which I show in the intro, and this is useless. Also, from time to time I remove all the useless stuff, but for example, you can see this pipe from this window, and yeah, it's the same space station that you see in the intro, and also the spaceship are in the same position. I think that no, you can see this, so I can remove this one too, because optimize important is because the intro was this one intro. So this is the space station, and when the game starts, you arrive on this space station, and also I've made the lounge, which is about here, while the medical center is placed here, and now you are basically here. So you have to travel from here to here to reach the dock and start your first mission, the first quest. I can't wait to move forward, but I want to feel the space station first. I mean, feel with people that work around, that move back and forth with small robots and stuff that is moving on, because once I've made it, I can reuse it again and again, like the script that I will share you now. See ya. Ciao. Let me know what you think about it.